Hello, YouTube viewers. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I have another miniature creation for you. And what inspired me to make this creation in these colors, like you can see the browns and the whites, those colors were inspired by that flooring right there. Look at how rich that floor is. And all that is a brown sheet of felt. So at the Dollar Tree, I bought a whole bunch of colors. They had brown, pink, green, red, and everything. So I had this brown one, and I said to myself, this looks beautiful for flooring, but I have to get furniture and items that work with the brown. And I have this piece of furniture here that you might have seen in some of my videos. Plus I have this fireplace, which is one of my favorites. I would say it's my favorite fireplace from my miniature collection. Then I have this also. I have this decorative paper that came in a pad. I think I bought it at Hobby Lobby. It's a pad that brings different patterns. This is the pad, wood, marble, and brass. So this is where I get all these colors from. So this one was perfect for this background because I needed a lot of brown, beige, and white. And then I also added gold or brass. I have an elephant over there, a little cat, and I'm going to go over everything pretty slowly so that you can see everything. But I'm just starting out by telling you what little items I have in here. So this grandfather clock here, I have two of those. I have a taller one, but the taller one is in the Santa's duplex that I have. So this one just goes in there because of the gold and the chairs. Then I have this beautiful egg that I've had for a very long time on a brown stand, a wooden stand. And look at how beautiful that is. Then I have this chair that I've had in one of my dollhouse rooms. So it just blends in perfect with this type of furniture. Then the background here, this background is a photo album. This used to belong to my mom, but look at the brown. How it goes so well with this sheet of felt. And not only that, it has gold trimming, gold borders all around, very fancy. So that is just perfect for this kind of setting. Then I also have a little side table here that I bought at a flea market. I have two of those. The other one is here, but it's upside down because I wanted that to look like a lamp. But this piece is the same as that one. And they're supposed to be knobs. That's all that is. So why don't we take a look here? So the egg is on a wooden stand. This is a handmade coffee table. And all I did was wrap some ribbon. I took one of those tape circles and I placed some ribbon all around to make it a taller and this table. And this is really a cap. This is a cap from a jar. And then I just added that little glass piece right there. I have the little brass looking elephant and the little cat eating some food. I have a tea light here for this beautiful fireplace. And then I have candles up here, the decorative paper. This you can buy at Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and you get these pads of different colored paper. So I think this was the best background for this floor. And then on the side here, I have another wall that's just cardboard, and it had like a little opening there. So what I did was I took a big sticker from the Dollar Tree plants, and I just placed it on the side, on the back with tape. So it'll hold just for now. It just looks like a window there, and that's the outside. Then this is the piece of furniture. You can see the little openings because that was meant for rings. When I bought it from this woman who was not selling it in a flea market. And I told her what I do with the miniatures, and she ended up selling it to me for $8. So that's how I got this beautiful piece of furniture. Again, the little table, grandfather clock, these beautiful chairs, beautiful egg, beautiful chair, and then that one right there, that piece, I also bought at a flea market. It's very, very old. You can tell by the pictures, by the photos. Oops. I know I was going to knock something down, but I'm not going to bother looking for the bottles because that would be a mess right now. So then here's the fireplace. And that's it. So this is it. So this is a photo album, like I said. And it used to belong to my mother. It looks like these huge doors in this living room. And look at the borders. So they look like doors. Isn't that beautiful? Well, I hope that you like this creation. I hope that you stayed all the way to the end of this video, enjoying it. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.